In today's video, we're going to talk about printing. We're going to look at print preview. We'll look at the options you can change, and we'll also talk about setting a print area. I have a sheet that's not going to fit on one page, so let's look at how Excel will print this out. Now on the page layout tab, we want to go to the sheet options group and click on the little button in the corner, the dialog box launcher. Now at the very bottom of the dialog, it shows you how it prints out. Now it's going to go down by default, and then when it runs out, it'll go to the next column over. Now you can change that behavior by clicking on over then down, and you see Excel will print in this direction if that works better for your data. I'm going to cancel this because I want to control it a little bit more. Now I'm making a selection to show you some of the options later on when we look at the preview. Now to get to print preview, we can either press Control P on your keyboard or go to File, then Print. Now in the print preview dialog, we have our settings in the center and the preview on the right side. We're going to go through some of the more important settings. Now the first one will print out your worksheet. Second one, you can select the printer. The third setting is printing your active sheets. So right now, whatever sheet I have active, it will print out. Now, we can specify different things, such as printing out the entire workbook, or we can choose print selection you saw me select earlier. Another setting I want to point out is orientation. With this option, I can change to a landscape mode where I can fit more on our page by rotating it horizontally. Now, if you need to change the type of paper you're using, that's this option right here. And we also have margins here if we want to adjust the empty space around your data. Now, the last thing we're going to look at here is scaling. Now, if you recall from the data I had, there's actually a column that doesn't fit on this page. An option I might want to use here is fit all columns on one page. Now you can see my data fits nicely on one page. Now I'm going to go back into our document and we'll talk about setting a print area. In our preview, there was an option to print a selection. But if there's an area of your sheet that you need to print repeatedly, you might want to set a print area. Now, I want to make sure I'm on the page layout tab, and then I can click on print area. And then we have set print area. Now, when I go to my print preview, this will always be the section that prints. And if you no longer need it, we can go to print area and then clear print area. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.